Day 6 doing with the chickens, not chicks, chickens. Just got back from salmon fishing on Lake Michigan. Just fed the girls and guy a lot of mealworms, threw them down. We gave him a tray of mealworms this morning. Don't you dare peck my crock. And then, back off. You're not the man. Back off. And then, they're doing, hey, back off. And they're doing fine. You're pushing it today. You're not getting any more mealworms. No, back off. Back off. Normally this one's nice. I guess not today. And then they've moved around in their nesting boxes. Okay, move out the way. Move out the way. Move out the way. Move out the way. They've moved some straw around in their nesting boxes. They haven't really discovered the second level yet. We put some mint scenting stuff that helps it smell better in here. You're going the wrong way, chickies. Yes, go up there. Back off! I'm gonna run out of here now because they like to follow you. So, yeah. They're doing great. They're all huddled down here because they want mealworms.